Your Honor, I'm a freak. Handcuff leashes, switch now wig, make him feel like a cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never wants to fight, but I'm looking for a beating. Ah. Wet and gushy. What's up, you guys? You are now tuned in to Rye on the Rise, and as you can see from the title of the video, I will be recreating Megan Thee Stallion's makeup and hair look from the WAP video. This is the braiding hair that I'm going to be using to recreate her hairstyle. So let's get started. I forgot to mention that this is a collab video with my cousin Jasmine Michaela, so go over to her channel. She is doing Cardi's look, so go check her out, subscribe to her channel. I'll put the link down below and check out how her look came out. So this is how mine is looking so far. I decided to go a different route. At first I was going to use the braiding hair to make the bang to do the bang, but then I was like, I could try to do it with my natural hair, and this is how it's looking. I put a lot of product in it, so it is pretty like wavy. I just accepted the fact that it's not gonna lay flat, and in the back I kind of have to like get that in order, but besides that I think it looks okay. I still have like little flyaways or whatever, but I mean, it's my natural hair, so I know it's not gonna like just be completely flat, you know. And yeah, so like now I'm just gonna finesse like the little curly parts with the braiding hair, and I'll come back and show you guys how that looks. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I took one of the bundles of hair out of the pack. The pack that I got had 3 in it. This is braiding hair, and I just tied a rubber band to it so that it could be like a ponytail. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around my puff, like how you would do like a ponytail if you was doing a ponytail. And then I'm just gonna finesse it and like just do little curls. Hopefully this one is enough. I think that my puff will give it some like volume. We'll see. If not, I have 2 more packs of hair. So I mean, not 2 more packs, but 2 more bundles of hair. So we'll see. But I feel like this one might be enough. So let's see. Y'all, I was not loving how when I put on the ponytail, the front part of my hair, like this, the bang part, it was just so wavy, and in comparison to the braiding hair, I just did not love the way the 2 textures looked. So I actually started over, and like I washed out some of the product from this part because it was just so much gel in it that's why I think it was so wavy. So I washed it out. It's still kind of wavy, but that's gonna be expected because my hair is natural. But it's less than it was before, so like now hopefully it'll look better when I put the ponytail on, and it will look less, you know, two-toned. I don't know if that's the right word, but like 2 different textures. It just wasn't looking right to me. So when I'm done, but yeah, let's continue. So this is how it's looking so far, you guys. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, I'm just like twirling this. You guys, it looks so cute. I think it came out really good. I like it took some trial and error, but I think it came out pretty good. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then come back and show you guys the final look. I really like the hair. Like, I actually really like it. I think it came out so good. But anyway, yeah.
I'm just trying to rap super fast and be super cool with it. Got a lot of things in mind, be sharp when I get it. What's success making you mad? Come on, just admit it. You ain't gotta say a word, cause your face just did. Why you mad for?
You guys, this is the final look. I think that it came out so good. Megan has on like light yellow in the video, so I was like, let me put, I literally like, the only thing I have that's light yellow is this sports bra, so I was like, let me put it on. But yeah, like, I love it. I think it looks so good. You guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget, you guys, this is a collab video, so go over to Jasmine's channel, subscribe, and look at her transformation into Cardi B. If there's a look that you want me to do next, let me know. I actually really had fun doing this look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I just felt so good. Like, it just came out so cute. So yeah, I'm about to take mad pictures. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, help me get to my 1,000 subscribers. I'm really hoping to get 1,000 subscribers very soon. And yeah, like, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, leave me a comment. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Later.